Hi, it's Eric from firstchoiceplumber.com, and today we're going to talk about slab leaks. Warning signs of a slab leak are high water bills, warm spots on a floor, or water coming up through your floor. What we're looking at here is your water meter. This is a way to check to see if you have a slab leak. See that little black triangle that's slowly spinning? Well, the way to check for a slab leak is to make sure you're not using any water in the house, no one's flushing any toilets or doing laundry. Go out to your meter, and that's what the meter cover looks like, and just get in there and look at it. If you see that triangle spinning, you probably have a slab leak. You have a leak underground somewhere. So the way that we find the slab leak is one of the ways is we connect a transmitter to the line that we suspect is leaking. So we can find this line underground. Once we put the transmitter on, we turn on our receiver and we're going to walk around and we're going to watch for a red flashing light. When we see the red light flash, it means we've walked over the underground pipe. So we're going to check this little area of this room out to see where the pipe is underground. There we see the light flash there. So every time we see that light flash, we know we're over the pipe that's underground. When we get into an area where it's not flashing, we know there's no pipe there. So basically we're tracing out this pipe so we know where to look for the leak underground. We see there's areas of the floor where there's obviously not a pipe at all. No flashing, no pipe. Oh, there's a pipe there. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get out our listening device. It's basically an expensive electronic stethoscope. And we're going to listen to what's going on under the slab. We have a lot of fine-tuning we can do with this equipment. So we can listen to slow leaks or fast leaks. And there's other ways to find leaks under a slab. This is basically the simplest way for us to find one. Sometimes it gets more complicated and we have to get more equipment out, but this is giving you a good example of how an easy location goes. Basically now we're listening along the path of the pipe where we've just located that the pipe is. We're going to listen for the loudest noise along the path of this pipe that we've located. And once we've found the loudest noise, we'll know that that's the spot where we're going to open the floor, get a jackhammer out, chip out the concrete so that we can get to the pipe to fix it. Once we've chipped out the concrete to get to the pipe, we're going to cut a section of pipe out and replace it. But now that we've listened to several different spots, we can see where the meter is the highest and the lowest, and we know within a foot where this leak is. So now that we've determined it, we're going to start opening up the floor and we're going to show you what the leak looks like under the floor. There's the leak. That's hot water. That's wasting, the water department said, over 3/4 of a gallon per minute. So we've turned the water off, cut this section of pipe out. You see that little hole in the center of the pipe there. We've cut that section of pipe out and replaced it. Now we're going to put some sand over this and do a little concrete patch so that the floor guys can come in and put the wood floor back together. That's a basic idea of what goes on with a slab leak. If you think you have a leak, give us a call.